Hi students, welcome to all. Today we are going to look at another topic as that differences between financial accounting and cost accounting. It comes under the first unit of the cost accounting. Here is the pieces, then financial accounting. Following financial accounting we have cost accounting. First piece is purpose. Its main purpose is to prepare P&L account and a balance sheet for reporting to owners or the shareholders and other outside agencies, that is external users. Financial accounting mainly prepared for the P&L account and the balance sheet. Through this we have to find out the organization's profit or loss. That will helpful to the management and shareholders and the external users. But the cost accounting, the main purpose of cost accounting is to provide a detailed cost information to management, that is the internal users. The cost accounting focuses on the cost control, how much the cost incurred in the organization. Second, the statutory requirements. The financial accounting have to be prepared according to the legal requirements of Company Acts and the Income Tax Act. Financial accounting is prepared as per the legal of Company Acts and the Income Tax Act. But the maintenance of these accounts is voluntary, except in certain specified industries where it has been made obligatory to keep cost records under the Companies Acts. But the cost accounting does not require the legal requirements. Some companies need the legal requirements. More of the companies that don't follow the legal requirements to prepare the cost accounting. Next, analysis of cost and profit. Financial accounts reveal the profit and loss of the business as a whole for a particular period. It does not show the figures of cost and profit for industrial products, departments and processes. Financial account is prepared to find out the profit or loss of the organization for a goal period, usually the yearly or monthly. It does not deal with the cost management, but a cost account show the detailed cost and the profit data for each product line, department, process, etc. But the cost accounting is prepared for the cost and profit calculation for each departments. Next in the pieces, periodicity of the reporting. Financial the reports are the prepared periodically, usually on an annual basis. Yearly once we have to prepare the financial statements. Here cost reporting is a continuous process and may be done on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. But cost accounting how to prepare. Cost accounting has to prepare the monthly basis or the daily basis or weekly basis. Control aspect. It lays emphasis on the recording of financial transactions and it does not attach any importance to the control aspect. The recording of the financial accounting transactions does not attach any does not deal with any control aspects. It provides for a detailed system of controls with the help of certain special techniques like standard costing, inventory control, etc. Cost accounting mainly focuses on cost control of the management. For that In cost accounting, we have used so many techniques and methods to cost control, that is standard costing, budgetary control, inventory control, etc. Next, the pieces of historical and the predetermined costers. It is a concern almost exclusively with the historical records. The historical nature of financial accounting can be easily understood in the context of the purposes for which it was designed. It is now its nature is now historical records, so easily understood by the external users. It is a concern not only with the historical costers but also with the predetermined costers. This is because cost accounting does not end with what has happened on the past. It extends to plans and policies to improve performance in the future. For example, budget. We have to take a concern concerning about future period cost control also. It is the predetermined cost for the future period of management purpose, management growth. Next is the format of presenting information. Financial accounting has a single uniform format of presenting information, that is P&L account, balance sheet and the cash flow statement. The presentation of a financial accounting is always a uniform format in the form of a P&L account and a balance sheet or a cash flow statement. Cost accounting has varied forms of presenting cost information which are tailored to meet the needs of management and lacks a uniform format. Cost accounting has prepared as per the situations of management. It doesn't have a uniform format to present the cost accounting statement. Next, type of transactions recorded. Financial accounting records only external transactions like sales, purchases, receipts with outside parties. Financial accounting records focusing on the external transactions only. Cost accounting records not only external transactions but also internal or internal department transactions like issue of materials by some storekeeper to production departments. Cost accounting focuses on internal departments. Moreover, in the production departments. Next, types of statements prepared. Financial account prepares general purpose statements like a P&L account and a balance sheet. That is to say, financial account must produce the information that is used by many classes of people, none of whom have explicitly defined informational needs. Yeah, here the financial accounting prepares a lot of the statements in the form of the balance sheet and the P&L account that will be useful our shareholders or the external users as well as the bank purpose also. Cost accounting generates special purpose statements, that is the cost statements, and reports like a report on loss of materials, idle time report, variance report, etc. It identifies the user, discusses his problems and needs and provided tailored information. Through cost accounting reports we have to find out loss of materials, idle time report, variance report. Through this we have to discuss the problems about the management. Thank you.